Good morning students. Today we are going to start new chapter 6, factorization of algebraic expressions. Now factors, when we multiply two or more expressions, then each expression is called a factor of product. For example, if we multiply x plus 2y and x minus y, the product is x square plus xy minus 2y square. Then we can say x plus 2y and x minus y are factors of this expression x square plus xy minus 2y square. Now factorization. Factorization means the process of writing an algebraic expression as a product of its factors is called factorization. For example, factorizing 14x plus 18 means writing it in the form 2 into 7x plus 9. Now we are going to start exercise 6a, question number 1. 3x minus 12. We have to factorize this. Now how to factorize? Firstly, what we do, we find the common factor. What is common between these two? Now we can say 3 and 12 both are divisible by 3. So 3 is common. So we can write 3 as common. So we start the bracket. Now we divide this 3 by the common 3. 3 divided by 3 we get 1. Now into x minus 12 divided by this 3 we get 4. 3 4s are 12. Now this is the answer. Now question number 2, 5y minus 7y square. Now in this what is common? Now 5 and 7, they are not divisible by any common table. So here y1 is here, y2 is here. Always small power is common. So y1 is common only. So we write here 5. y1 is common. So y1 divided by this y1 we get 1 minus 7 as it is. y2 divided by y1 we get y. So this is the answer. Now question number 11, 24. Now here 24 and 32. Both of these two are divisible by 8. So 8 is common. Now 24 and 32, these are divisible by 8. Therefore 8 is common. Now here is d1 and d3. Small power is d1. So d1 is common. Now we divide 24 divided by 8 we get 3. 8 3s are 24. Then d1 and d1 divided d1 by this d1 we get 1 plus 8 4s are 32. 32 divided by this 8 we get 4. 8 4s are 32. Now d3 divided by this d1 we get d2. Now this is the answer. Question number 15. 6p plus 8p square minus 4p cube. Now what is common here? 6, 8 and this 4. All of these terms are divisible by 2. So 2 is common. Here p1, p2 and p3. Smallest power is p1. So p1 is common. Now divide this 6 by 2, you get 3. p1 divided by p1 we get 1 plus 8 divided by 2 we get 4. p2 divided by p1 we get p1 minus 4 divided by 2 we get 2. p3 divided by p1 we get p2. This is the answer. Now question number 18. Here all of the terms 14, 42 and 70. All of these terms are divisible by 14. Therefore 14 is common. Now m5, m7, m6. So smallest power is m5. So m5 is common. Then n4, n3, n4. So smallest power is n3. So n3 is common. Now p2, p7, p3. Smallest power is p2. So therefore p2 is common. Now 14 divided by 14, there is 1. m1 divided by m1, 1. n4 divided by n3, you get n. Minus 42 divided by 14, you get 3. m7 divided by m5, we get m2. n3 divided by n3, we get n3 divided by n3, we get 1. Now p7 divided by p2, we get p5. Minus 70 divided by 14, we get 5. m6 divided by m5, we get m1. Now n4 divided by n3, we get n. p3 divided by p2, we get p. Now this is the answer. Now let us start with exercise 6b. Now it's question number 3. Factorize 2y into y plus 5 minus 3 into y plus 5. Now in this question we can say here y plus 5 and y plus 5. This is common in both the terms. So we can write this y plus 5 as common. Then what is left here? Y plus 5 is divided by this y plus 5 is cancelled. So we are left with 2y minus this y plus 5 is cancelled with this y plus 5. So what is left? 3. Now this is the answer. Question number 7. Now p into 6 minus p minus 6 minus p. Now 6 minus p and this 6 minus p, this is common in both the brackets. So we will write here 6 minus p as common. Then 6 minus p divided by the 6 minus p, 1. Now we are left with this p. Minus 6 minus p is divided by the 6 minus p, we left with 1. So this is the answer. Now question number 8. Here in the bracket d minus 5. But what is here? Here is 5 minus d. Here d is positive, but here d is negative. Here 5 is negative, here 5 is positive. So firstly we will make the brackets same. So what to write? D into d minus 5. But we have to make this d positive. So we will take minus as common. So we write here minus as common. So plus, if we take minus common, plus minus minus. Then if you take minus common from this bracket, then these two signs will be changed. This minus will be plus and this plus will be minus. Now if you open the bracket, you will get minus into minus plus 5. Clear? Now minus plus minus d. Clear? Now d minus 5 is common in both the brackets. We are left with this d minus 7. Now when d minus 5 is common in these brackets, so what is left? This d and this 7. Because if you divide this d minus 5, this d minus 5, you are left with 1. And d minus 5 with d minus 5, you are left with 1. So there is 7. Now y minus 2 whole square minus 3 into y minus 2. Now here smallest power is 1. So therefore we will write common the smallest power y minus 2. Now here is y minus 2 raised to power 2. Here is y minus 2 raised to power 1. So when you divide, but we will get y minus 2 minus y minus 2 divided by y minus 2, we are left with 3. Now y minus 2 and this y minus 2 minus 3, y minus 5. This is the answer. Now question number 12. N minus 10 whole square plus 10 in minus n. Now n minus 10 whole square. Now again here is 10 positive, here is 10 negative. Here n negative, here is n positive. So what you get? Minus sign common. When you get minus as common, these two signs will be changed. Now this minus becomes plus and this plus becomes minus. Clear? If you open the bracket, you will get minus into plus minus n, and minus plus 10. Now this small power is common, n minus 10. So you are left with n minus 2 raised to power 2, and 1 power is common, so you are left with power 1. N minus 10 raised to power 1 minus n minus 10 is common, so you are left with 1. N minus 10 into n minus 10 and minus 1 is minus 11. So this is the answer.